Why speaking English will change your life. Mastering English isn't just about speaking, it's about opening doors to your future. Here's how being fluent in English can change your life. Number 1. It's the key to getting a job. In the US, English is the language of work. If you want a job, you need to speak English well. Companies are looking for people who can communicate clearly and confidently. Number 2. It's essential for education. If you want to study at a US university, you'll need to speak English fluently. Being able to communicate in English will help you succeed in the classroom and beyond. Number 3. It helps you connect with people. The US is diverse, and knowing English will help you connect with people from all walks of life. Whether it's making friends, networking, or building your career, English opens doors to relationships. Ready to start improving your English? Drop a comment if you want to learn more tips and tricks.